So what do you think he's doing, Lily?
He was on top of there and he was looking for some food for his babies.
Oh, really? Where are the babies?
They're in a nest and they're far away.
Oh. That makes a lot of sense. He must be a good daddy, huh? Or maybe it's a mommy. You think it's a daddy or a mommy?
I think it's a daddy.
Really?
Where's the mommy?
I don't know. Maybe she's at the nest.
Maybe so. You think it's red?
Red? What, the nest?
No, the birdie.
Oh, look, he flew away. He sure did. I wonder where he went. Back to the nest already?
I think so.
What kind of food do you think he was looking for?
I think he was looking for an apple.
An apple to take to the babies? Do you think the babies like apples?
I think he's getting a giant one.
A giant apple? I bet the baby birds would love that. And mommy bird too. I think she would.
You think they're in that tree?
I don't know. I don't see a nest.
I think they're up there.
Oh, really? That's possible.
The cedar tree, because it's not big and it's not too large because we can climb it.
Yes, we could climb that tree pretty easily. It's very small. It looks like a plant, like a shrubbery.